Oh my God.
Totally new pair of shoes.
They look totally different.
I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. In today's video, I'm going to show you what a shoe looks like going through our patina service that we offer here at Kirby Allison. We have an extensive range of shoe restoration services and shoe shine services that are available here at Kirby Allison. These pair of shoes were brought in by a customer for our new patina service, where we can take a pair of old shoes and totally re-dye the leather in order to transform them in something that looks totally new. Now, this pair of shoes was dropped off by a customer. As you can see, even the best shoe shine probably wouldn't go far enough to return this pair of shoes back to a like-new state. But that's where shoe dyes come in. What's great about the alcohol-based leather dyes that we sell here is that they are permanent and can completely transform a pair of shoes. And luckily with brown shoes, it's very easy to dye them and take them darker because it requires very little or no stripping. This leather is really damaged because you can see that the customer walked through snow. So snow and rain can absolutely destroy a pair of leather shoes, and you really see the consequence of that here with this pair of shoes. This shoe right here is even worse. This is the left shoe, and you can see that the discoloration across the vamp is even more, and you can just see the difference here in the colors, the scratching. So through our shoe patina service, we're going to strip the shoes and then dye these shoes a dark brown. The best part is that this customer is local here in Dallas, so he dropped off these shoes and he really gave us free rein. He said, just save these shoes and make them look better. So we're gonna apply our best to these, and then he's coming back in a few days and we're gonna surprise him with how these shoes have been transformed. So next, we're gonna walk you through the process of how to strip these shoes and dye them using alcohol-based leather dyes.
Hey, Kirby.
Hey, Kevin. Hey, thank you for coming in.
Thank you. I'm very excited. I thought these shoes were kind of a total loss.
Yeah, well, I appreciate you trusting us with these shoes. I mean, they've gone through our complete patina program where we were able to strip them off, re-dye them, and this is, they should almost be like a completely new pair of shoes. So let me go grab them real quick, and we'll see what you think.
Awesome. I'm excited.
All right, so here they are, and I don't know if you'll recognize these things, but
Oh my God.
totally new pair of shoes.
They look totally different.
We were able to strip them back and then dyed them kind of a dark brown. You can see there's a little bit of a patina in here. I know you wanted something subtle, nothing too crazy, so you don't see too much variation in the color here. But it's it's a dark. We use some purple here. It's almost a burgundy. I mean, it's kind of a dark brown burgundy because you can still see some of that purple. And then we did our mirror shine, and I think the mirror shine really helps conceal. You've got this huge gouge right here in the toe. I mean, there's not a ton you can do for that. But the mirror shine and then being able to fill that with some wax kind of really helps conceal that.
These are amazing. I'm so impressed.
Yeah, so this is, really for all intents and purposes, a totally new pair of shoes.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what's nice about brown. There's so much more you can do with the brown pair of shoes because you can take it darker really quite easily. So we stripped it down a little bit in order to pull that polish off, but taking it darker really allowed us to get a great result, and I'm really happy with these.
Oh yeah, I'm really excited. I'm ready to go out in town and wear them tonight.
And of course, new Wellington laces, and these are our skinny flat wax laces, which are probably amongst my favorite, which I really think kind of help pull all this together.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kirby.
So is this what you were expecting? I'm just...
not what I was expecting, but extremely impressed and surprised, and I feel these are better than what they came in as, or better than when I originally bought them.
Oh, even better.
Even better with this color.
Yeah. Hey, well, Kevin,
thank
you so much, and enjoy the shoes.
Thank you so much, Kirby.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.